Shake, 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 shake. I feel like I can do like a workout with this, man. Like, yeah, I see the muscles though. Pretty muscles. Hey yo, guys, I play too much. What's going on, guys? It's your boy TREA-STYLEZ, you know the vibes. Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so for today's video, guys, as you guys can tell, I've got a MYPROTEIN haul for you guys, yeah. I just kind of wanted to show you guys, like, you know, like the items that I picked up, show you guys what I got. Also as well on my channel, yeah, I've also got some other MYPROTEIN videos. So obviously if you guys want to check those out, yeah, definitely make sure you guys go ahead and do that. I'm gonna link those here for you guys, yeah, so definitely make sure you guys go ahead and check those out, man. And yeah, guys, we're just gonna get straight into this video, guys, yeah, because you guys can tell, yeah, I've got this big ass box, yeah. I've got quite a few things in there, do you get what I'm trying to say? So yeah, man, as always, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the thing down below. You guys know. And yeah, man, let's go. Alright, guys, yeah, so this is the box that it came in, guys, yeah. First of all, guys, yeah, this is one big ass box. Do you know what I mean? Like, this is bare freaking hefty. And it was just so freaking funny as well, yeah, because you know when the postman delivered this to me, yeah, the guy was asking me, did I want everything on the website? The guy said to me, yeah, imagine that the postman said to me, yeah, did I want everything from the MYPROTEIN website? Because the box is so freaking big, do you know what I mean? But yeah, man, we're just gonna get straight into it, yeah. So it comes with these in there, and with these guys, yeah, I can't be the only one who gets so much satisfaction from just popping these. Like, fam, I could literally do this all freaking day. Alright guys, yeah, so now that that's out the way, yeah, so the first thing that I've got here, what should I start with, guys, yeah, because I don't even know what to freaking start with, do you know what I mean? Like, I don't even know what to start with. Alright, so I'm going to start with these, yeah, so the first thing that I picked up here is the MYPROTEIN crispy wafers. A couple weeks ago on my channel, I did like a MYPROTEIN snack review, yeah, I'm going to link the video here for you guys, yeah, but basically I was trying like a bunch of MYPROTEIN sample snacks. And fam, I had to go back. I had to go back for more. These are so freaking good. Like, when I say good, like, this tastes like something that you get from Asda, Sainsbury's, Tesco, Morrison. You wouldn't even think that this is like a protein product, do you know what I mean? Like, these are so freaking good, man. So yeah, man, it comes in a pack of 10 and it's got 15 grams of protein per pack. So on the website, yeah, they've got like different flavors, yeah. So you've got like vanilla, you've got peanut butter, you've got cookies and cream, you've got chocolate hazelnut, you've got chocolate. So on the website, yeah, you've got like bare options to choose from. So yeah, man, guys, definitely recommend, man. Like, these are so freaking good. Next thing that I got is the MYPROTEIN vanilla shakes, and then I've also got strawberry as well. So I've got two different flavors. So I've got strawberry, and then I've also got vanilla as well. I feel like I can do like a workout with this, man. Like, yeah, I see the muscles though. Pretty muscles. Hey yo, guys, I played too much. A couple weeks ago, yeah, I bought like the sample version of this, right? And guys, when I tell you guys, I was freaking shook. I was freaking shook. Like, I didn't expect it to taste that freaking good. Like, I didn't expect it to taste as good as it tasted. Do you know what I mean? Like, it was so freaking lang, man. So this one on the website, yeah, you guys can get it in 3 different flavors. So you've got chocolate, you've got strawberry, and then you've also got vanilla as well. But when I tell you guys, yeah, the vanilla and the strawberry, those are the two that you guys need to get. Like, bun the chocolate, man. Like, the vanilla and the strawberry, fam, it's so freaking good. Like, it's so freaking good, man. So per bottle, it's got 25 grams of protein, and then it's also 194 calories as well. Because I'm on a cut right now, so obviously I'm like losing like body fat. This is perfect for me because number one, it's low in calories, and also it's very, very high in protein. Because if you guys struggle to get like your protein source from food, then this will be like a good replacement to just make sure that you're getting like the proper protein that your body needs. You get what I'm trying to say? So fam, this is like bare convenient, man. And the thing that I like about this the most is that obviously it's not like a shake where you need to freaking get the milk and be shaking it and be making it yourself. Do you know what I mean? Like, with these protein shakes, these are already made for you. So you guys can just like fling these in your bag, yeah? Straight out the door. You're good to go. These are so freaking convenient, especially if you're like a busy guy, do you know what I mean? So yeah, man, so guys, when I tell you guys, yeah, definitely make sure you guys check out the vanilla and also the strawberry. Hey yo guys, the way that I'm talking here, you think that I was sponsored, do you know what I mean? Like, you'd think that I was sponsored by freaking MYPROTEIN, but nah, man, guys, when I tell you guys, yeah, these two, the vanilla and the strawberry, these are bussin'. These are bussin'. Is that what the Americans say? These are bussin'. Next thing that I got here is the MYPROTEIN crisps. So these ones are barbecue flavor. They've also got like a sweet chili flavor as well. But with me personally, I went for the barbecue. Per packet, it's got 100 calories and then it's also got 11 grams of protein as well. Again, really good for someone who's on a cut like me. Really low in calories, but it's also got like a decent amount of protein as well, do you know what I mean? So I feel like that's like really dope. You know, like the As the Pot crisp, that kind of remind me of these a little bit, but obviously those ones are like the protein version, if that makes sense. But yeah, on the website, I was actually looking to see if they had like a sample version. So obviously I didn't have to buy this like by the pack, do you know what I mean? But they didn't have a sample version, so you only can purchase the pack, if that makes sense. So yeah man, so what I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm actually gonna try these on cam for you guys, yeah, just so obviously you guys can get like my natural reaction of what these actually taste like, because fam, I ain't tried these before, do you know what I mean? But they actually look like really plain, like they look like they taste like really good. So I'm just gonna open that. So 6 of it comes in the pack here. So you've got 6 in the pack there. The packaging is actually like freaking big. Like look how huge like the packaging is. Like that's the packaging there. I really do like the packaging. Like the packaging is like really sick. I hope this actually freaking tastes good, you know. That smell like really nice. Smell that. Y'all see that? So 3, 2, 1. Okay. No. Alright. I'm not gonna lie. I was expecting more. I'm not gonna lie. Wait, one sec. You know what it tastes like, yeah? When you first taste it, yeah, it tastes like crisp, but as it like digests, yeah, it kind of tastes like oats. This is what I'm trying to say, guys, yeah, like sometimes it's so good to buy the samples. Like with me, yeah, I always make sure that I buy samples first before I go and buy like a big pack like this, do you know what I mean? But it's just so sad that with these don't come in samples. So you have to buy the whole pack in order to try this, basically, do you know what I mean? So basically I ran like a risk there, do you know what I mean? Like I ran like a risk there. And yeah, these are it. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like these, man. I had like such freaking high hopes for these as well, do you get what I'm trying to say? Like I thought these were gonna be banging, do you know what I mean? Like, yeah, these are it still. So yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this. I feel like I'm gonna have to firm the taste, because obviously I don't want to waste my freaking money, do you know what I mean? But yeah, I definitely won't be buying these again, so yeah. So yeah man, that was just like a quick review and a little taste test for you guys, just to tell you guys what this actually tastes like. So with me, I'm not a fan, man, not gonna lie. So next thing that I've got here is the Impact WHEY Isolate. So this one I actually got in a salted caramel flavor. Again, they've got bare options on the website. So if you guys want to try like a different flavor, they've got cookies and cream, vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, fam, any one of them. Do you know what I mean? Like any flavor that you guys want, yeah fam, MYPROTEIN, they've got it. I'm talking as if I'm sponsored, do you know what I mean? I'm talking like these people are sponsoring. I'm talking like these people are sponsoring me, guys, yeah. But yeah man, so this one's got 22 grams of protein and then it's also 93 calories as well, which is like really high in protein, and then it's also low in calories. So I feel like that's like really good, man. Perfect for me, especially because I'm cutting at the minute. So yeah man, so with the Impact WHEY Isolate, I've actually never tried this before. I've tried the Impact WHEY, but I haven't tried the Impact WHEY Isolate, if that makes sense. So I feel like the difference between this, correct me if I'm mistaken here, but I feel like the difference between the Impact WHEY and the Impact WHEY Isolate is that the WHEY Isolate has a higher protein source, if that makes sense. But yeah, if I'm wrong, yeah, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. But basically, that's just to my understanding, basically. So with this, yeah, I'm actually going to try this on cam for you guys as well. Just give you guys like a little taste test of the salted caramel flavor, because fam, I'm excited to try this, man. I'm excited. Alright guys, yeah, so right now, yeah, I've got like a little setup going on, do you know what I mean? So I've got the milk here, I've got a measuring jug, I've got the shaker, and then I've also got the whey protein isolate, yeah? So now, we're actually gonna try this, guys, yeah? So, we're gonna mix 1 scoop. So that's 1 scoop there. Make sure you guys get like a big hefty scoop, you know? So 1 scoop, which is 25 grams of protein. And then it says add 150 milliliters of milk here. So we're gonna use milk. It says water or milk, but we're gonna use milk simply because I feel like if you add water, yeah, like fam, the thing would be like bare rundown, do you know what I mean? So I like to add milk simply because like the milk, I just feel like the milk gives it like a little bit more flavor, do you know what I mean? So I'm gonna do 200 actually. So 150 to 250. So I'm gonna do 200. Yeah, so that's 200 there, yeah. And then I'm just gonna pour that in there, and then we're gonna get the lid. Make sure that's secured, and then we're just gonna shake that. Shake, 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 shake. Alright, so make sure you guys shake, you know, because obviously you guys don't want no lumps, so make sure you guys shake the thing good. Alright, so guys, this is meant to be salted caramel flavor, guys. So this freaking better bang. Oh my freaking days. Alright, you guys ready? Yeah, you guys ready? You guys ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1. I feel like it's alright. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like it's alright. I feel like because it's like salted caramel, yeah, I therefore don't feel like you taste the salted caramel as much. I feel like the salted caramel taste could have been like a little bit more, you know, like a little bit more powerful, if that makes sense. You get what I'm trying to say? Because you can't really taste that it's salted caramel like too tough. Like it needs to add more of that salted caramel kick to it. Because even there, yeah, like fam, like it looks like freaking white. It don't even look like salted caramel, do you know what I mean? So I feel like it is definitely alright. It is kind of like sweet as well. But I feel like what will go like really, really nicely with this here is, fam, if you add like a banana, because that's what I normally do with my protein shakes. I normally add like a banana just to like enhance like the flavor like a little bit, and it's just like tastes like so much more better. Yeah man, so with this here, I'm definitely gonna be adding like a banana to mine every time that I drink it. So yeah man, that was just like a little taste test, like a review of the MYPROTEIN WHEY ISOLATE salted caramel flavor. If you guys have tried this before, and if you guys have tried out like different flavors as well, definitely let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, that was the end of the video guys. Yeah, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys liked it. And also if you guys have tried any of these MYPROTEIN products as well, definitely let me know your thoughts on them in the comment section down below as well, man. And yeah man, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did make it this far, as always, please make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. You guys know the vibe. And yeah man, I'll see you in my next video. I'm gone.